Captain's Log, 1T412. We've been searching the galaxy for what seems to be days. In the search of irradiated Klingon goat cheese pie. Boy. With our bellies full, we are now ready to go on the search for the precious, primordial Volcom Stone. Boys, we've come across a strange planet's atmospheric pressure. Radar, do you see any life forms down there?
No, I don't, sir.
Bones! How's the atmosphere down there? You think it's safe?
It looks all safe, Captain.
Scotty, prepare the transport machine. We're going down.
We're on it, sir!